If you already subscribed, I'm sure nagtataka ka kung bakit merong oven sa title ng video na to. Well, I want to let you know that I am starting a new series on this channel called Own Home Stuff Philippines. In this series, I will share with you the home stuff that I personally bought and I recommend. I thought of this kasi yung iba sa inyo, kakalipat lang sa first home at naghahanap kayo ng mga gamit na bibilhin. O yung iba sa inyo, gustong maghanda ng budget para pag turnover ng condo unit o bahay nyo, makakabili agad kayo ng gamit. I think you'll find the home stuff I'll share to be interesting since we made it a point to invest in appliances and gadgets that are functional. Hello, I'm Man Clemente, and aside from being a real estate vlogger, I'm also a foodie. So in the past, I would often eat out at restaurants, but since the pandemic and I left my parents' home, I learned to cook a lot of dishes at home. But cooking can be time-consuming, and if I want to do different cooking methods, I would need a lot of equipment. That is a problem for someone like me who has limited space. So I'm thankful that my husband agreed that we buy the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer, which is the first home stuff I'll be featuring in this video series. To be honest, my husband was initially taken aback with its price, but I made him realize that with just one appliance, we don't need to have a separate toaster, convection oven, griller, air fryer, and even microwave. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is super versatile. It has 10 cooking functions, which I'll go through one by one because I've tried using most of the functions since last month that I got this. So number 1, grill function is ideal for cooking thin cuts of meat, poultry, fish, sausages, and vegetables. So I used it for grilling eggplant for an eggplant parmigiana and grilled chicken for a chicken wrap. Kapag walang oil dripping yung iihawin, hindi kailangan ng roasting tray. Number 2, toast function browns and crisps the outside of your bread while keeping the inside soft and moist. What I like about this function is that there are 7 options for how light or dark we want our toast to be. 6 slices of bread ang kasya sa oven, at kapag ginamit ko yung time dial control panel ng oven, pwede kong piliin yung number ng slices na ito toast para alam ng oven at consistent yung pagka-toast. Number 3, crumpet function. To be honest, I didn't know what a crumpet was, so I searched for it on Google and I found that it's a small griddle cake that originated from the United Kingdom. So I tried doing a crumpet, which enabled me to use the crumpet function, and it's good. I got a fat pancake with a crisp top yet tender bottom. I found it to be a bit similar to the toast function, the crumpet function, but I know that it's still different because aside from crumpets, it's also ideal to use for toasting bagels and specialty breads. Number 4, bake function is designed to use heat for baking cakes, muffins, brownies, pastries, and even dense savory frozen dishes like lasagna and pot pies. Unlike the conventional ovens, the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is energy efficient because it has a convection mode which bakes food 25% more quickly, and it bakes food more evenly. Since most recipes online are written for conventional ovens, there is a need to convert recipes for convection baking. And to do that, you need to adjust the temperature. A good rule of thumb is to set the oven to about 25 degrees Fahrenheit below the recommended temperature of your recipe. So if a brownie recipe tells you to preheat to 325 degrees Fahrenheit, adjust it to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm new to baking and I was able to bake a Japanese cheesecake and coconut bread pudding with this appliance. Ang saya at exciting mag-bake ng iba pang goods. Number 5, roast function is ideal for cooking a variety of meats and poultry. Food will be tender and juicy on the inside and roasted to perfection on the outside. Honestly, isang beses ko pa lang ito nagamit kasi mas mahilig ako sa grilled and air-fried food. Nagamit ko lang tong function sa pag-roast ng potatoes. Number 6, pizza function melts and browns cheese and toppings while crisping up the pizza crust. But I still haven't used this function. Number 7, reheat function. With it, it's slower to heat food than a microwave, but it does a better job at reheating since cold food or leftovers don't brown or become dry. I'm also not a fan of using microwave radiation to heat my food, so No need for a microwave anymore. Number 8, warm function. Maintains hot foods at the recommended temperature to prevent bacterial growth, 70 degrees Celsius or above. So for example, merong food delivery pero hindi pa makain agad kasi busy sa work, pwedeng ilagay mo na sa oven, then mainit pa rin yung food pag kinain. Number 9, air fry function. With this function, I no longer need to buy a standalone air fryer because the smart oven can deliver crispy and brown food. I actually tried air frying French fries several times already, and I love how I don't need to spray oil, yet I still get golden crispy French fries. Kaya ang laki na natipid ko kasi hindi na ako bumibili ng French fries sa labas. And yes, I get more fries for less price. Best of all, I don't suffer from oil splatters anymore when frying food. Number 10, slow cook function. It has cooking profiles designed for long cook times at low temperatures. If you choose the low setting, it's a minimum 8 hours of slow cook time. And if you choose the high setting, it's a minimum 4 hours. I tried slow cooking beef for 8 hours to use as broth for beef caldereta at grabe, super flavorful. Aside from Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer's versatility, what I love about this oven is it has an Element IQ system. It is the brain of the smart oven since based on the selected cooking function, it knows what the temperature should be, how long a dish should cook, whether or not to use the convection mode or not, and where the quartz heating elements should be used. Kaya kung gagamitin ko yung default setting, pipiliin ko lang yung cooking function para sa dish na lulutuin ko, insert yung wire rack sa tamang position, ilagay ang food at press start. The Element IQ system ensures that the temperature remains constant throughout the cooking time so the food is cooked quickly and evenly. Hindi ko na kailangan manghula kung ano yung setting. But of course, if we have specific cooking needs, we also have the option to adjust the setting, and the Element IQ actually remembers the customized setting until changed or the oven is unplugged from the power outlet. Another thing that I love about the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is that it has dual speed convection. This means that it has 2-speed convection fans, so you get 2 settings, the regular convection and the super convection. While the regular convection, as I mentioned earlier, reduces the cooking time by 25%, the super convection reduces cooking time of up to 30%. The super convection setting runs the built-in convection ventilator at speeds much higher than the regular convection setting. And I noticed that when I choose the air fry function, the super convection setting automatically turns on. Combined with the high heat, the result is deliciously crispy food. Those are the major things I love about the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Its other features that are super helpful are the following. LCD display, mabilis mong makikita yung cooking functions. It also indicates when preheat has completed and it automatically begins to count down on the cooking time. Interior oven light. Pwede mong i-turn on yung oven light whenever para makita mo kung kamusta yung niluluto mo. So, super handy. Aside from that, it automatically turns on at the end of the cooking cycle. Accessories. It comes with 5 different accessories. A, the wire rack. Dito may ipapatong yung food mo o yung other accessories. Grilling rack, air fry basket, at 28 by 33.5 centimeters enamel roasting pan, and a 30 centimeters non-stick pizza pan. Good for 10 pizza slices. In terms of caring and cleaning the smart oven, it's fairly easy, especially if you utilize the accessories well. You just use a damp sponge to clean the inside of the oven and the crumb tray. For the accessories, hand wash lang siya. Ang naging mali ko lang, hindi ko nagamit yung roasting tray, kaya nag-drip yung oil sa quartz heating elements ng oven. Gumamit na lang ako ng straw cleaning brush para maabot yung dumi doon. Dahil alam niyo na yung mali ko, please use the accessories, and if you want to clean your oven and the accessories less, you may actually use a parchment paper when air frying. Anyway, I still have a long way to go before I become an expert home chef, but I can say that despite our condo's limited space with the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer enabling me to cook various kinds of dishes, we really save a lot on food expenses and we eat healthier. We don't order food deliveries anymore and we rarely dine out. The cooking time I saved because of the smart oven also allowed me to be more productive at work. So I highly recommend this appliance because it's a worthwhile investment. I hope you like this home stuff feature, and if you like this video, please hit the like button. And if you still haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe for more videos like this. Before I end this video, I would like to let you know that if you are interested to see the unboxing, please stay until the end of the video, and as I posted on the YouTube community section, I'll be featuring the top 3 recent comments on my latest video. Again, I'm Ann Clemente, a licensed real estate broker and a content creator. Thank you for watching Own Property PH. Let's now unbox the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer. Grabe no, kahon pa lang. Meron ng premium feel. Pakita ko sa inyo ang... Ay, wow, may picture. May picture siya. And, yan. Upon opening the box, ang unang makikita is this registration warranty card, and I assume this also contains the instruction manual. Here we have the, I think this is the crumb tray. May mga napanood na kasi akong videos from abroad, and yun nga, nakita ko na rin tong crumb tray. Ang purpose nito ay ito yung sasalo ng mga kalat or yung mga crumbs doon sa mga pinaglutuan natin. So, very excited ako kasi yun nga, mas madaling linisin syempre yung oven kung merong ganitong crumb tray. Next, we have the accessories. So, yung mga accessories niya, merong nakalagay sa gitna, merong nakalagay sa gilid. We have the wire rack, and we also have this 13-inch pizza pan. So, yung mga gustong gumawa ng homemade pizza nila, yan, pwede rin. And we have this grilling rack, enamel roast tray, and on this other side, we have the air fry basket. Ito yung wala na accessory doon sa Smart Oven Pro. Dito sa Smart Oven Air Fryer, since we have the air fry function, we have this air fry basket. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko to kasi mahilig akong kumain ng french fries. And now, kailangan i-pull ito, and medyo mabigat yung oven for me. Kaya magpapa-assist tayo. Ipa-pull natin ito. Yan, ito na siya. Wait. Kaya naman siya. Kaya naman. Pero with all that styrofoam and boxes, dalawang boxes, medyo challenge siya. Ayan. Let's open it. Dami pang plastic. Wow! Daming plastic, ang daming kalat. May tape pa dito. Okay. Alam mo, meron akong napansing nakakatuwa. Kung mapapansin nyo, ayan yung guide mo. Para alam mo kung saan mo ilalagay yung accessories. Cool, no? Ayan. Tatanggalin ko na tong mga... Wow! I think that's it for the unboxing of the Smart Oven Air Fryer.